Hello, welcome back. This is another example of change of subject, whereby here we are supposed to express x in terms of y. Now the x term is square, and the other example, the x term is cube. How do we go about it? We do it the same way. So first, looking at this, we need to first get rid of the negative 5. So we add 5 to both sides so that we can get rid of negative 5. So we have now y plus 5 equals 2x squared. The next is to divide both sides by 2, so we can get rid of this 2. So when you cross out these 2, we now have x squared is equal to y plus 5 equals 2. At this point, you can bring the x squared here. That's fine. Now, we are looking for x and not x squared. And the inverse of a square is square root. So we're going to take square root of both sides, and the square root will cancel out the square, making it x. And therefore, x will be equals to the square root of y plus 5 all divided by 2. Make sure your square root is cover everything. It's not only the top. So in an exam, be careful the way you write your final answer. The square root must cover everything. In example 2, similarly, we need to get rid of the plus 4 by taking away 4 from both sides of the equation or the formula. So we have y minus 4 on this side, and if you take away from this side, this becomes 0, so we have only 5s cubed. Next step is to get rid of the 5 by dividing both sides by 5. So we have y minus 4 over 5 equals 5s cubed over 5. We can cancel out the 5's here. So now we have s cubed equals y minus 4 over 5. The inverse of a cube is a cube root. So we do cube root on both sides, and the cube root will cancel this cube. So therefore, x is equal to cube root of y minus 4 all over 5. Also, make sure your cube root sign covers all the expression. So this is an example of making a letter a subject of a formula where that letter is a cube or a square. In the next examples, we'll be looking at where we have brackets involved. Thank you very much.